now we have finished assemble a few box, and if you're like me, we can see the glue bit and it just doesn't look very nice. So you want to cover it, and you cut out the base layer, and you'll find it's a bit tricky to put in because there's a thickness of the card, so it's a bit tricky to fit in if you cut the exactly same size of the base. What you need to do is you cut a layer like it's slightly smaller than the base layer, and I'm going to show you how to do it, and you'll find it much easier to just insert it in, and then if you want to glue it together, then that's fine. See, so that looks much better. Now all the glue flap has been hidden underneath.